How to karaoke any song? Yes, you are listening right. Many people say karaoke or many people say karaoke. I can't say anything about it, but today we're gonna talk about that. If you have a speaker, you have a microphone, and you want to sing any song, you want to perform anywhere, you want to practice, you want to show your talent of singing, then how you can do. Today we're gonna do this with the StarMaker app, but you can do with any app, and it depends on you. So let's start how to karaoke or karaoke. Let's start. First of all, requesting you like the video and subscribe the channel for get more videos like this. Now watch how we are doing this. First of all, we don't have to do much more. We have to just download this StarMaker app. That's along with me, it's over here. And after that, you have to do nothing. You have to just go to you have to make account and go to the search option, and you have to search over there the song you want to search and sing. You have to select on that song, and after that click on the start, and it's starting. Click on start, and it will play music only, and you have to sing. 1 second, I'm moving to the मुखड़ा दे रहा, I can sing. ये दोस्ती हम नहीं तोड़ेंगे, तोड़ेंगे तुम मगर तेरा साथ ना छोड़ेंगे, ये दोस्ती. That's the way how you can sing this song, karaoke or karaoke, whatever you say. That's the way how you can do. And if you like this video, don't forget to like, share with your family and friends. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon to get more videos like this. Be with us, how to do. I'm Gogi from Buying Now.